Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be learning how to make this fascinator. We're going to learn today. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this fascinator. This is called, I call it a pipe materials. So that's our feathers and the flower brush, just like that, and that is my needle and thread. That's my tape rule, my glue gum, and my Alice band. This, I think this is the medium size, and this is the pipe that I'll be working with. This criloline is called pipe criloline. This is called a pipe criloline. And so I'll be measuring 12 yard of criloline. So that is it. I'm going to be making 12 yard, and a yard is 36 inches, so I'll be making 12 yard. So just place it on the floor, because this clothing is very, the way it's falling down on my head is very funny. So just measure it. You measure 12 yard. So I'll be measuring the yard now. See what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. So at 36 is 1 yard, and you're going to measure 36 in 12 places. So when you're done with the measurement, you're going to cut it out. I keep doing that. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm trying to make the measurement, so that I'm going to be having 12 yard. And so this is my 12 yard of pipe criloline. That is the 12 yard of my pipe criloline. Just this is the 12 yard. And the next thing we'll be doing, right now is I'm trying to pull it out. I think this pipe is a little bit stubborn. How would I put it? Just is stretching and it's just drawing anyhow. So I'm just trying to bring it out. I'm trying to arrange this properly, then I'll start forming my shape, and that is the shape I'll be using. If you are doing this for a kit, that means you are going to just see the way I'm doing. Can you see the way my hand is going? That means you are going to reduce the measurement. So I'll be showing you the measurements I'll be using for this tutorial, and I'll be showing you. Just look at it. So I think I'll be having 14 inches. If you want it to be smaller, you can reduce it to 10 to 12, but I'll be working with 40 inches. And what I'll be doing now, just see the way my hand is going, then you're going to fold just the way I fold, like that. Then use your needle and thread to secure that part. Use your needle and thread to secure that part by sewing it tight. See what I'm going to be doing. So this I'm going to be doing right now. I'll be sewing it with a needle and thread. Just sew it with your needle and thread. Make sure it's so tight, and you start arranging it. I'll keep arranging it, and I'll fold again. Make sure you sew it so tight. See what I'm doing, and I have another one. I'm going to sew. You're just going to keep arranging, just like you're forming a circle. Just keep doing it, keep forming the ring, just keep doing that. I think I have 4 now. I'm going to fold again. See what I'm doing. I'm going to fold again. I'm going to sew. So darlings, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's so important, and we'll be having a lot of DIY, not only on turban, not only on fascinator. I'll be having tutorials on how to sew for beginners, and I'll be having little DIY, different DIY on my YouTube channel. Just keep supporting your career as of me, and keep supporting me. Thank you all. So you keep doing that, just like I'm doing. You keep doing that, and you sew. When you fold, then you use your needle and thread to sew. One thing about this pipe criloline is that you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful when you are making it. You arrange again, just the way I'm doing it. You arrange again just keep following that. Can you just keep following that shape and make sure it's just like you're creating a circle. Just keep doing that. See what I'm doing. I'm going to fold again. I'm going to join it at the center. Then I'm going to use my needle and thread to secure that part. I'll use my needle and thread to secure that part and sew in and out. Just the way I'm doing this, I'll sew in and out. See what I'm doing. I'm going to sew it in and out. So let's keep doing that. So this tutorial is something that is very very easy that you can make for yourself. You can make for yourself. Just keep doing that, and I think it's full now. Just look at it. Wow. So look at it, and I think I'm done with it. Just see what I'm doing. I think that is the last one I'm holding, so I'm still going to tack that. So I'm still going to sew that place. Going to sew it in and out, and don't forget to plug your hot glue so your candle can. So I'll keep doing that. So I'm waiting for my candle to be so hot. So guys, I'm a little bit tired. I'm very tired. Sorry guys. So I'm still doing that. I'm trying to fix the last step. I think I'm still trying to arrange it properly. So that's going how it's going to look like. And the next thing I'll be doing on this tutorial, I'll be adding some hot glue to it. I'll be adding my flower brush and I'll be adding my feathers to it. Just see what I'm doing. You can add any flower of your choice. You can add any. You can. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a little bit strong, but I have to do this video for you. So that is the feathers I'll be working with. Just see the way I'm doing the feathers, and I'm going to find a place to put it. I'm going to use my hot glue to hold it. I'm going to use a hot glue to hold it just the way I'm doing it. It's very very easy to do. Just see what I'm doing. Look at it. Just use a hot glue and fix your Alice band. When you're done with this, you fix your Alice band, then use your ribbon or a pieces of cloth to cover your Alice band. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. Oh sorry, I'm so tired. I'm a little bit weak, and I have to upload this video for you. So that is it. Just look at it. So can you see that is the hot glue? Then you're going to press it. Just use your hand to press it for like seconds, so it's going to stay on it. You see. So just look at it. Just for seconds and press it down, just like that. You press it down and you fix your Alice band to it, then you're good to go. Then after you fix your Alice band to it and you cover your Alice band, you are good to go. Just fix your Alice band to it, you're good to go. So guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.